Hi, let's practice some real English conversations together. Today, we'll cover a few useful situations you can really use.
Welcome. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, my name is Tom. I recently graduated in marketing, and I enjoy working on creative projects.
Why do you want to work here?
I admire your company's mission, and I'd love to grow my skills with your team.
That's great. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, what kind of training do new employees get?
Good question. We offer a 1-week onboarding program with full support.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. We'll be in touch soon.
Hi, do you have this in a size small? Let me check. Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. Is the fitting room over there? Exactly, right next to the mirror. Thanks. Do you have it in a different color? Yes, we also have blue and beige. Great, I'll try the beige one. Sure, let me get it for you.
Hi, are you my driver?
Yes. You're going to Siam Paragon, right?
That's right. How long will it take to get there?
About 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Great. Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. Please sit back and relax.
Hi, I have a reservation for tonight.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Alex Chen, Alexchen.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. Yes, I found your booking. Would you like a room with 1 bed or 2?
1 bed, please.
No problem. Here's your key card. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Thanks. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m. at the restaurant on the ground floor.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, just water, please.
No problem. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring it right out.
Hi, are you ready to pay?
Yes, please. Can I pay by card?
Sure. You can tap or insert your card right here.
Great. Do you accept mobile payment?
Yes, we accept Apple Pay and Google Pay, too.
Awesome. Can I get a receipt?
Of course. Here you go. Have a great day.
Excuse me, how do I get to the BTS station?
The nearest one is Siam. Just walk straight and turn left at the 2nd corner.
Got it. Is it far?
Not really. About a 5-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please place your bag on the belt.
Sure. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, and your jacket, too.
Got it. Is my small water bottle okay?
Sorry, no liquids over 100 milliliters.
Oh, I see. I'll throw it away.
No problem. You're good to go. Have a nice flight.
Hi, I'd like to order a burger set.
Sure. Would you like fries and a drink with that?
Yes, please. Can I get iced tea?
Of course. What's your delivery address?
It's 245 Lexington Avenue, New York, NY 10016.
Got it. Your order will arrive in 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hi. I think I caught a cold. Do you have anything for that?
Yes, we do. Are you coughing or just sneezing?
I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
Okay. This one helps with cold symptoms. Take 1 tablet twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed.
Thank you. Could I take it with food?
Yes, please take it after meals and drink lots of water.
Hello. Do you have Wi-Fi here, please?
Hello. Yes, we do. Would you like the password?
Yes, I would. Could you please tell me the password?
Of course. It's coffee123. All lowercase letters, no spaces.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Sure. Thanks again.
Hey, what are you doing? You look so focused.
Oh, I'm using ChatGPT.
ChatGPT? What's that?
It's an AI chatbot. I ask it questions, and it gives me answers, like a smart assistant.
Really? What can it do?
Lots of things. It can help you write emails, learn English, even come up with new ideas.
That's awesome. Is it free?
Yes, there's a free version. You should try it.
I will. Sounds fun.
Great job! You just practiced real conversations you can use every day. If you liked this video, subscribe and check out more on our channel. See you next time!